SPTA 5PCS7. The unique designates different size for two sides of the pad, front 7-inch, 180mm, back 6.7-inch, 170mm, a specicial design to protect surface from being scratched while polishing, to reduce the abrasion for both pad itself, plate and surface. The high-quality prime quality, sponge pad, bendable, washable, and reusable. Used for all kinds of coat paints, waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze to clean and improve their lightness. The biggest advantage for our pads is to lock and remain polishing compound, prevent falling off in high speed. And they have great capacity of heat dissipation. EAC can be used in pneumatic or electric polishing machine. Used for auto car detail polishing. With abrasive stick backing, you can easily change the sponge. They are suggested to be washed with clean water and dried naturally after using. Advanced manufacturing technology, soft and fine workmanship, not damage the surface, washable and save money. They are lightweight and really easy to assemble. Made of durable open cell foam which improves airflow, bring out the highest level show car of shine with the ultra smooth finishing polish pads. A different hardness. There are 5 different colors of the sponge pad with different hardness: yellow, orange, blue, white, black. Efficient cutting and polishing the most difficult car oxidation coating, scratches. Click the link in the description to get this product.